I just can't believe that I'm saying this, but last 90 days of 2025 are left, and it really feels that it was yesterday that 2025 started, and it is the end of September when I'm shooting this video. Whenever New Year starts, we all have this habit of making vision boards and making a list of goals that we'll achieve this year, but many of us are not able to stay on track, or we just forget about our goals, and this is very natural. Even I was at this state since many past years, but exactly 1 year ago in 2024 I decided that I'll change my life and I'll not wait for New Year to begin. I'll just start exactly today. And this is the message that I want to give in this video, is that you don't have to wait for New Year to begin. If you have a goal to accomplish any year, then you can start that goal at any time of the year. And you know, the best time to start your New Year's goal is today, on the day that you're watching this video. And even if you're not able to achieve your New Year goals in the remaining 3 months, then it's all right. At least you will be set in momentum, just like I was. So I'll be sharing 6 steps that you can follow, and you know, the 5th one is the most important one. So let's begin this video without any further delay. So number 1 is identify whatever goals you have achieved, whatever habits that you have built this year. First of all, identify this, make a list of all these things so that you're not demotivated that you've already wasted this year. And even if you have wasted this year, that it does not matter. You can follow these steps from step number 2 to last step. After making a list of all the habits and of all the goals that you've already achieved, move to the goals that you've not achieved. Make a list of all the goals that you have not achieved and you wish to achieve them in the next 3 months of this year. Maybe that your goal for this year was to have that dream figure of yours, but you haven't started anything. So just make this goal for the next 3 months. I know that you won't be able to achieve it immediately in these 3 months, but अगर तुम उसे achieve नहीं करोगे, but at least you will come to know कि when 2026 will start, you'll already be in momentum. तुम already 90 days ahead होगे उससे. That's why taking action right now is the best time to start. ओके, सो हमने सबसे पहले एक 3 महीने का गोल बना दिया. आफ्टर मेकिंग अ गोल, step number 3 is break it down into smaller achievable weekly goals or daily goals. ठीक है, जो कि तुम उसे अचीव कर पाओ. इतने बड़े गोल्स लिखना, मतलब कि डेली बेसिस पे तुम्हारी हैबिट्स क्या होनी चाहिए तुम्हें, इफ यू वांट दैट ड्रीम फिगर. ठीक है, या फिर तुम्हारे वो कौन कौन से रूटीनली एक्सरसाइजेस तुम्हें करनी चाहिए ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, और 4 times a week or 5 times a week to have that dream figure. And if you're a NEET student, you have set your goal for the next 3 months to complete your syllabus. तो वो syllabus को completion में जैसे तुम्हारा कुछ पार्ट बचा है हर सब्जेक्ट्स का, तो अब तुम एक मंथली, वीकली और डेली गोल्स बना सकते हो कि डेली अगर इफ आई कवर दिस मच इन अ पर्टिकुलर वीक, तो फिर तुम सिलेबस कंप्लीशन के थोड़ा थोड़ा पास आते जाओगे. ऐसे अपने मंथली गोल्स बनाओ. ये 3 months का जो गोल है उसको ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू मंथली गोल्स. देन योर मंथली गोल ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू 4 weeks एंड योर वीकली गोल ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू डेज. ठीक है, योर 90 days आर लेफ्ट. हर दिन तुम क्या क्या करोगे जिससे कि तुम्हारा सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो जाए. सो द स्टेप नंबर 4 इज एंड इनकॉर्पोरेट दीज चेंजेस इन योर डेली शेड्यूल. सिर्फ हवा में सिर्फ सोचने से तो तुम्हारे गोल्स कभी अचीव नहीं होंगे. ठीक है, वो ड्रीम फिगर कभी अचीव नहीं होगा. You have to take out time from your for whatever you do in your day. You have to take out time for workout. You have to replace your bad junk eating habits to your good healthy habits. ठीक है, और अगर तुम एक नीट एस्पिरेंट हो और तुम्हारा पढ़ाई गोल है, तो you have to take out enough time कि तुमने जो वीकली गोल बनाया, तुमने जो डेली गोल्स बनाए हैं, तुम वो डेली गोल्स को अचीव कर पाओ. You have to take out time for all of these things, right? So this is a thing that you should incorporate in your daily routine to make it a habit. So number 5 is measuring your progress. So this is the most important one, and this is my personal favorite. So there's a saying that whatever you have to improve, you have to measure it first. जब भी तुम्हें improve करना हो ना किसी भी चीज को, तो you start measuring it. Suppose जैसे कि तुम्हें बस ये समझ नहीं आता कि तुम्हारा पूरा दिन किधर चला गया. So at the end of the day, start measuring each and every hour कि where is it going, right? जैसे कि even I have done it. I'll just put my progress report in this video. Even I have done for my workout. I recently started my workout. Even this was my New Year goal, but I was very lazy, or I was very busy with my college work and other things in my life. I just could not have that strength to begin my workout. So eventually one day I was like looking at the vision board that I had made for myself, and you know, that very day I decided कि now I have to do workout every single day the remaining year that is left. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, मैंने मतलब एक सबसे पहले एक चार्ट बनाया हर एक दिन का. आई जस्ट सेट अ वेरी स्मॉल टारगेट ऑफ 1 मंथ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल बी लाइक कंप्लीटिंग दिस 28 days चैलेंज. आफ्टर दिस मैं आगे इसके बाद और आगे शेड्यूल करूंगी. तो मैंने उसका सबसे पहले एक चार्ट बनाया, मेजरिंग चार्ट के. हर दिन अगर हमें विजुअली अपनी प्रोग्रेस दिखती रहती है ना, तो यू जस्ट फील दैट यू हैव टू वर्क मोर, एंड व्हेन यू वर्क मोर ना, यू इवेंचुअली start improving. I've also made this for my sleep schedule because I was finding it very difficult to wake up in the morning. So I just made a chart, again a chart, है ना. उसमें हर दिन के बारे में मैंने लिखा है, मतलब it is basically a calendar, ठीक है. And at whatever time that I wake up, I just write it down over there, and you won't believe, and it is very surprising to know that every day I wake up 15 मिनट ऊपर नीचे बस होता है, बट आई इवेंचुअली वेक अप ऑन अ वेरी फिक्स्ड टाइम, राइट. सो दिस चेंज कुड हैपन. आई कुड इम्प्रूव इन माई स्लीप just because I was able to track my progress, I was able to measure my progress. So अगर तुम कोई भी गोल बनाओ, it is like the basic and it is the most important. एक होता है ना, एक ऐसी लोएस्ट इनपुट चीज जिस मैक्सिमम रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं, दैट इज measuring your progress, measuring each and every day, measuring each and every habit of yours, measuring each and every hour of your day. This gives you like tremendous results, believe me in that. So now coming to step 6. Now this is also very important, and this is the basic reason जिसकी वजह से हम कभी अपना कोई गोल अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं. So now step number 6 is removing away your distractions. Now you have already set a goal for yourself. You have already broken down that goal into achievable plans, and you have already incorporated it in your daily habit. You have started measuring your daily progress also. But you know, this one thing can really ruin your progress if you just ignore this fact. देखो यार, यू हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ गोल, ठीक है. अब इसके बाहर यार जो भी चीजें होती हैं दैट इज पुलिंग यू अवे फ्रॉम योर गोल इज योर डिस्ट्रैक्शन, एंड यू नीड टू कट इट आउट वेरी ब्रूटली. सपोज इफ यू आर अ नीट स्टूडेंट एंड यू हैव सेट अ गोल टू कंप्लीट योर रिमेनिंग सिलेबस बाय द एंड ऑफ 2025, एंड तुम बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा कर भी रहे हो, बट 2 या 3 या 4-5 दिन या फिर इवन 1 वीक के बाद यू गेट स्वेड अवे इन स्क्रोलिंग रील्स, wasting away your time on phones or wasting away your time watching web series or movies, then my dear friends, you will never be able to achieve them. तो तुम्हें brutally हर एक distraction को cut करना है तुम्हारे goal से, whatever the distraction that is pulling you away. Suppose your goal is fitness, to have that dream figure of yours, and क्योंकि तुमने एक Zomato का subscription खरीद रखा है या फिर स्विगी 1 खरीद रखा है, तो यू आर ऑलवेज लाइक टेम्प्टेड टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम रेस्टोरेंट्स और फ्रॉम जोमेटो और स्विगी. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ब्रूटली अपनी मेंबरशिप कैंसिल कर दो, क्योंकि ये तुम्हें तुम्हारे गोल से बहुत दूर खींच रहा है, एंड इट इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन फॉर यू. सो आइडेंटिफाइंग योर डिस्ट्रैक्शन in this journey is very important. Identify them और brutally उसे cut out कर दो, at least for these 3 months, ठीक है. स्टार्ट करो एक वीक करके देखो, एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट रिजल्ट्स. जब तुम ये सारी चीजें करोगे, यू विल फेस हार्डशिप, फील्स वेरी टफ टू स्टार्ट समथिंग और फिर उसे कंसिस्टेंटली मेंटेन करना. बट बिलीव मी यार, अगर तुम्हें वो एक्स्ट्रा 1% बनना है ना, इफ यू वांट टू बी दैट एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी, या फिर you dream of some extraordinary life, then you have to suffer this hardship, you have to suffer this hard, right? There's no shortcut for this hard, क्योंकि जब ये कंसिस्टेंटली जब तुम करोगे ना, तभी तुम्हें रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. इफ यू जस्ट स्किप दिस पार्ट एंड यू ट्राई टू जस्ट फाइंड शॉर्टकट्स और एक्सक्यूजेस टू दिस, वो एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी लाइफ विल बी टेकन अवे बाय समवन हु विल वर्क हार्ड. आई होप दैट यू विल यूटिलाइज ईच एंड एवरी मिनट and each and every moment of the 2025 year that is left. Something that I heard somewhere and it has really stuck with me. Whenever I go to my deathbed, I should not have any regrets कि यार मैंने अपनी लाइफ में वो कुछ अचीव नहीं किया जो मैं करना चाहती थी, एटलीस्ट मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया. So you never know what will happen next. So give your 100% right now to change your life, to change your life in the way that you want it to be. Just not ki you are not just going away with the crowd. So if you want to change your life, follow these 6 steps and you will definitely see a newer version of yourself. And I want to make an announcement. If you're a NEET aspirant and you want personal one-to-one guidance from me, then my mentorship program is open, and I am giving away 15 days of free mentorship to everyone who joins between 1st October to 15th October, and I'll be there to personally help you build consistency, build discipline to complete your daily targets, and obviously an accountability partner, that is me myself. So if you're a very serious ask and want one-on-one guidance, then you can directly message me on my WhatsApp number that I've already provided in the pinned comment in the description box, and the further details of the mentorship are also given in the description box and pinned comment as well. If you found the mentorship useful and you want to continue it further, you will get a special Diwali bonus also. That is, you will get flat 1000 rupees off on the original price. So if you're interested and you're a serious NEET aspirant, then message me right now and grab your spots, because very limited seats are there. And work hard if you want to become that extraordinary person. You have to work that extra to become extraordinary. And if you're watching this video till now, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, because it makes up for all the effort that I put into making such videos. And if you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. And do tell me in the comment section, what are your goals for the next 3 months that are left for NEET 2025. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.